Welcome to ITW EAE here in IPC Expo. Delighted to be joined by Joy McKnight. She is the VP GM at ITW EAE. Nice to see you, Joy.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
Okay. So we're standing here in front of a Centurion reflow oven, which is one of your flagship systems, currently manufactured in Suzhou.
Correct.
And you've got, I guess, over 1,000 of these in the field.
Correct. Absolutely. It's a very global market for us, a really strong customer base.
Right. Okay. So the big news this week is that you're actually going to start bringing back manufacturing of the Centurion to Camdenton, which is, of course, is the home, or the original home of Electrovert, really.
Correct.
So tell me, first of all, I'm sure it's pretty obvious, but why the move?
Absolutely.
And what's the customer's reaction to it?
Right. So we've got a significant customer base here in the United States, and just with the current geopolitical situation, tariffs, freight costs, et cetera, time to market, our competition, our customers are really wanting something produced here in the United States. So we have decided to leverage our footprint in Camdenton, Missouri, that currently manufactures our Electrovert Wave and cleaner product, and in the past has manufactured reflow products for us in the past. Leverage that footprint to deliver that produced in the U.S. solution to our U.S. customers.
So, is that going to actually benefit your U.S. customer base? Is it actually going to lower costs because they're not going to have to pay freight and various other things?
Absolutely. We're looking to have a lower landed cost than what we have from the product coming from Suzhou. Absolutely. That's our intention.
So how is the transition going? How long is that going to take? And when can we expect to start seeing ovens coming out of Camdenton?
Great question. So we're taking a multi-phased approach. We're going to start with our most popular 8-zone oven model here for our U.S. customer base. We're going to start with that, and we'll have multiple phases to try to deliver the full portfolio of Centurion models. And we hope to be starting to ship those first units later this year in Q2 or Q3.
Okay. Wow. No, that's fairly quick. So I'm assuming you've got some of your Chinese engineers coming over to help with that transition.
Correct. So our China team, as well as our U.S. team, have been collaborating for several months, working together on what this transition looks like.
Right. Okay. So, of course, the obvious question that moves on from that is this going to be the first of a number of products that you might end up bringing back to the U.S.?
That is a great question and definitely on our minds. So today we manufacture our printer and our dispenser platforms in Suzhou, China for our global market. And as the situation changes here in the U.S. and listening to our customer needs, we'll evaluate and see if those are platforms that we also want to figure out how to manufacture in Camdenton, Missouri, leveraging that same footprint.
Right. Well, it's an exciting change, and it's it makes an enormous amount of sense. So congratulations on that. And there's another announcement here this week at ITW. I believe you've got a new version of the Aquastorm, which we're going to look at the other side of the booth.
Great. Thank you, Trevor.